Those in the upper. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, southeastern Davis County in northern Utah, east central Tualatin County in northern Utah, until 12:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 11:40 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Salt Lake City International Airport, or near West Valley City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, public. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Murray, Bountiful, Farmington, Taylorsville, South Salt Lake, North Salt Lake, Centerville, Woods Cross, Stansbury Park, Summit Park, West Bountiful, Mill Creek, Kearns, Salt Lake City International Airport, Magna, Emigration Canyon, Canyon Rim and East Mill Creek. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 302 and 323. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 94 and 138. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Davis, Salt Lake and Tualatin.